I've done for the last few years is the rear wiper blade and assembly. The assembly's old. I've been buying some blade refills and shoving those in there, and it seems to work okay. But I thought, you know, it's been a long time since I've replaced the actual whole assembly. And I'll be darned if I didn't find this guy right here on AliExpress for about, oh my god, I want to say, I think it was $10 for the whole thing. And before you guys get all excited and, oh, I'm going to make sure I get a name brand wiper and stuff like that. Oh, I'll pay the extra money. And then you buy it and you bring it home and you flip it over and the box says made in China. Duh. So these are pretty much the same thing, but without the name brand, so you don't have to pay for all that. Or go through Toyota and buy it and pay through the nose. But anyway, everything today is made in China. I loved my F-Jammer radio that was on my FJ when I first got it. The CD got stuck in it, like a lot of people complained about it, so I had to take it out. It's basically done at that point. And I thought, really? For a Japanese radio? And you flip it over and the unit says made in China. It's like, oh, crap. So I ended up putting a Kenwood in there. And it was hard to find one without a touchscreen. And I was able to find one at the time, which they don't make anymore, that looked traditional. So looking at it, feeling it, it's actually of nice quality. I'm pretty happy with it. And we'll just go ahead and swap this real quick on the truck. And that way I have a nice new blade back there. Okay, so that was on. Lifted up the little lever, slid it this way, pull the arm up, and this came right off. Now we'll pop the new one on. Okay, put the new one in there, and pull. Oh, that was a tough one. There we have it. Nice new windshield wiper, the hardware, the arm, everything. And the old one, it is taking some oxidation and all that stuff, and it's showing some wear. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the recycle. Anyway, guys, that's about it. It doesn't take long to do one of these, and you can do it for about $10 or so. I'll put the link in the description for you. And if you want it, you don't mind waiting about 3 or so weeks, you can get that replaced in just a couple minutes. So you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. I'll go ahead and get this on YouTube just as quickly as I can.